how to cook this amazing dish of corned beef, cabbage, and chickpea. I know sweet corn is the crowd favorite, but now we're going to replace it with chickpea. So guys, remember to like and share the video. I will leave a list of my ingredients in my description so you can go and check it out. Step-by-step guide how to cook this amazing cabbage, corned beef, and chickpea recipe. This is a Jamaican style cooking, so remember to like and share and let me know in the comments what you think of this dish. I appreciate you all, and I will leave my ingredients list in my description. So just remember to go and check it out, read it, step-by-step guide. How to cook corned beef, cabbage, and chickpea. Guys, this was so delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.